My friends, good to see you back here. Simple Italian cooking, you know, the place for easy and quality homemade food. So today is Valentine's Day, San Valentino, and I thought we will do some creative inspirations. Have a look. You got it right, it's a risotto with strawberries. And let's have a look what we need for this. Come closer, please. So yes, risotto. We will obviously need some rice for the risotto. This is a special rice, very suitable. And we do it with strawberries, so we'll need strawberries. We got here about 500 grams of strawberries. You may need about 300 grams of rice for 4 people. And so this strawberries will be fried together with a shallot and a little bit of mince, and will be added a little bit of Parmigiano, about 30 grams. We will also use our famous olive oil and add a little bit of salt, and also very important, we will add a shot of white wine. So this is one part of the dish, but a previous part that we need to start earlier is to prepare a little brodo of vegetables. So brodo is basically boiled water with a few vegetables, whatever you got. So we got here, for example, some celery, carrots, tomatoes, what's this, broccoli, not too much, just that the water will soak some of these veggie flavors, and we will only use that water for the preparation of the risotto. Okay, my friends, as I said, we will only boil a few veggies, and basically all we need is the water, 1 liter of this water. The veggies we don't need. We can use them for something else later, but what we need now is just to have this boiled. So I will turn this on, put the cover on it and wait for 1 hour. After 1 hour we can use that water to fry our... the first milestone of our dish, of our risotto, has been reached. You see? We have cooked the brodo for about 1 hour. Has a nice smell. My veggie friends will surely like this. But we only use the water of this. With this water we will cook and fry the risotto. So next step will be frying first a little bit of this shallot onion in olive oil. And then we will cut the strawberries and add them into the frying part, and then successively add this water that we just prepared, this brodo. So for cutting the shallot, I first remove the skin. Let's see, yeah, it's working. So let me show you my cutting technique. Of course, everyone has its own technique. And again, Valentine's Day is tomorrow, but we will try this dish today as a sort of inspiration for you, and we will also try to publish it today, so you have enough time to, if you don't know what to cook tomorrow, to get some inspiration. So this is also a good reason to follow my channel, so you're always up to date with what's happening across the world. Shallot has been cut. I make very, very small pieces. I did on purpose not use standard onion because I think the shallot taste is more suitable for the strawberries. So we can now start frying this at low level, and in the meantime I already start cutting the strawberries into small pieces. So you may think, wait a minute, February 13 or 14 is not really the season for strawberries. It will start soon. I mean, these strawberries are from southern Spain, so down there they start growing already earlier, but usually you're right, strawberry season, the big season is around April, May. Okay, have a look. The shallots have been frying, and now's the time to add the strawberries. Okay, 2 minutes of cooking. It has an incredible nice smell. Oh yes, yes. So I will now add about 200 grams of this rice. And it's the time for the wine shot. There we go. let this cook for a little bit and then we will add the brodo. Okay, now's the time to add the first shot of brodo. And perhaps another one. We got here 1 liter. And so we will keep doing this for another 15 to 20 minutes and then it should be ready. By the way, I can already add some black salt. It will not be too sweet. There we go. Okay, let's have a look after about 15 minutes of boiling. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You see? The color has slightly changed to rosé pink. And later I will also add this Parmigiano Reggiano and then we will see how the color goes. I think 5 more minutes, no, yeah, perhaps 5 to 10 more minutes. Okay, we can add a few mint leaves for the flavors. Okay, I think we're pretty much there. It's time for a quality check. Let's see if it's al dente. I think we need some Parmigiano Reggiano. I think now is the time. Let's mix it up. This is about 30 to 40 grams. I'm sure this will make the difference. Oh yes. Oh yes. Look at this, how creamy it's getting. Oh yeah. Yes, this is it. Okay, my friends, have a look. Perhaps this way. So, hope you enjoyed this video. As you know, feel free to like, to share, to comment and to follow. I'm doing many more videos also for next year Valentine's Day. So, this is the test for tomorrow. Let me check. Yeah.